smart RF 2.4G remote with rotary and buttons. The rotary knob is used to dim up down or change color temperature. The buttons can be used to select groups and control the lights. Pairing is very simple. Press the button on the LED controller, then click the group on the panel. The lights will blink to indicate successful pairing. Each group can bind up to 30 lights. Let's check the dimming effect. If you want to install it in a wall box, you need to disassemble it first. That's all. Thank you for watching.